Hello guys, good morning. This is Afsar Alam. So today I am about to give you my weight loss journey update. This is the first day of week 11, as you all know, and in the last week I have gained little weight. The target what I had tried to complete in the last week, as you saw me, I was not able to chase my goal of half kg of weight loss every week. So this is a new week, and I will show you how much weight I have lost this week. Okay, and really it's a great news. As you saw me on the weighing scale, and I weigh around 65.6 kg. Yes, it is right. I weigh around 65.6 kg. In the last week, my weight was around 66.7. You know, it should be 65 last week, but it increased. I have eaten a lot, more than my calorie deficit, you know, and I was unable to work out because of the rain and all, and because of the cold weather. So now I'm back on the track now. Okay, so it's 65.6, and I still have 31st December is my deadline. So I still have 20 days more, and I have my target of 64 kg. So I have to achieve that target in between in coming 20 days, right? So I am sure I will achieve it because it is only 1.5 kg, and it is not so easy. It is tough because of the cold weather. Okay, but as I know, as I have told you guys, that weight loss is not all about exercise. It is mostly about what you eat. You know, it is mostly about the calories intake. So if you control on your calories, it is very easy. It would be easy for you to do the weight loss even in winter season or even in the rainy season. Okay, so so what I did best in this week, first of all, I started counting my calories again. You know, I went to I went to a calorie deficit more than what I was taking. Okay, more calorie deficit than what I was usually taking. So that means I was taking around 1000 to 1200 calories every day. So usually I was taking 1500 calories, but now I am taking only 1000 to 1200 calories because it is winter and I do not sweat a lot. So there is less energy required for my own health, you know, for my metabolism, for my own body function. So this is one of the reasons I went for further calorie deficit. And then the second thing I did was to control the kind of food I eat, you know, because you cannot go away from the chapatis, rotis, bread, rice, biryani. All these foods are in your in your vein, you know, because you are born with all these foods. So I had started all this food again, and I started to see my weight loss is not working in last 2 weeks. So what I did this week is I did not leave everything, but I just controlled it. Like I was taking only maybe twice a week, you know, any kind of rice or chapati. I will take both together, you know, if I take, so that my all craving has gone. Okay, should go in my all craving should go in the same week. Okay, so for 1 day or 2 day, like 1 time or 2 time, I had taken rice and chapati, whether it is parota, whether it is biryani, whatever. Okay, I have taken. So this is the thing I did, that instead of taking for 7 days, I had limited it to 2 days. Okay, and rest of the days I was eating fruits. As you know, my morning breakfast is oatmeal with banana, with now I have included dates into it. Okay, so this is what I was eating. You know, I have control on my eating. Then the third thing what I did is I started going on my house. My house is 8th floor high, so I started taking the stairs. You know, instead of going through the lift, I started taking the stairs, and from the stairs I go up and down 2 times. Okay, so that I can it comes under cardio, right? So when you do cardio, you will lose some energy, not a lot, but some. Okay, and also it will help you to function your body properly. Okay, so this is what I did. You know, in some of the videos I will be explaining what kind of food I take, you know, what I take in the morning, what I take in the breakfast, what I take in the dinner, what I take in the lunch, and what I take in dessert or breakfast or whatever, okay, and what kind of drink I follow early morning, okay. So thank you thank you for watching this video. Please kindly go and subscribe and like my videos if you like it, of course, and please do not unsubscribe it. A lot of people are unsubscribing. I do not know whether I do not know the reason, you know. I have to figure out why people are unsubscribing, you know. I have lost 150 people around from my channel, okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.